Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we change date into a different format. So first of all, I have created this table over here in this Excel workbook, and here you can see I have written some dates over here and I have written some different format. So what I'll do is I'll just go to home tab, and in this there is this number format. Then I'll go to date. If I go to more number formats, then what I'll see is this is the format cells. Then in this, as you can see, there are different number formats over here, as you can see, and I have changed the location to United States. In this there is one custom tab in which you can change the different format. As you can see over here, there are different format to write date, uh, and if I want to, like, let's say, first of all what I'll do is I'll just copy these dates to the other cells. Then I'll just select all this, then go to more number formats. And if I want to change this to, like, let's say the day should be written in the words and rest in date, so I'll just click here, just press OK. And to change this, like, the hash is popping up, just what I'll have to do is I'll just have to select all this, just click here. As you can see, the format is changed. And let's say I want to change my date into different format. Over here what I'll go to more number format, then in custom, let's say over here I'll change to month and year. Then I'll just click OK. As you can see, the date is changed to different format, and I can see now month and year. And if I want to change in different way, so I'll go there in customs. Let's say I want full, the year should be written fully, like 2024, like this. Here you can see there is 24 only, like. So what I'll do is I'll just click OK. Now you can see now my date is in YYYY format. And if I want to change this also, let's say uh, over here, as you can see, the year should come first, and then date, then month, then date. So I'll select this and just click OK. So this is the way how can we change date into a different format. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.